Mate, I was in my right of way here. He had to yield to me, that's how it works.
It's my life in the box in front of me. Taking talk in my arms is the soul of me. You walk by, as you see me lay face down. And find the thought in your heart.
Fucking morons. Blocking fucking buses. Fucking cross that line. Stay in your own fucking lane. This fucking dickhead in a Toyota. You see that? He avoided the car door zone to go head on with a car that's approaching. Fucking stupid. Oh, it's a lady driver. Avoiding the door zone in a car to go against... I've had fucking drivers do that, and I'm the fucker approaching them, and they've dodged the door zone and they've been in my path. It's fucking ridiculous. He's loaded up. You cheeky bastard! Oh. Oh, that is stressful. That's London. Fucking idiots everywhere. Wanker. You sort of need to exercise a bit of chill with the pedestrians here, because there's nothing indicating that they can walk, and the nearest traffic light for them to walk is fuck knows where. Look at this guy, I'm the police, look at me. Wow, was that fucking necessary? Fucking wanker. See that fucking cunt moving? It's always something I sort of need to zoom in on with the camera, because it never comes out quite the way it looks in real life, in IRL. Fuck fucking telling him to pass him while I'm approaching. Stupid fuckers. It's like, yeah, don't worry, just fucking pass. Like, I understand he's being courteous but fucking be aware of your surroundings. Fucking wanker. See, he fucking signalled right, and then I went to go left, he started signalling left. Nugget, strong, like Donkey Kong. Oh look, the bus signalled. Really stuck.
It sounds like Cruz was following us.
Oh, where you going, matey? Whoa, 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 whoa!
Fucking hell.
The terrible thing about that is that light over there on the left goes green, and he could have pulled onto somebody just then. Silly bastard.
The king is here. Now feel your fear. The king of kings. All hail the king. On your knees for the king. There is only one.